What's going on, YouTube? Dorito and Lucha Cabre here, and today
we're going to install these 4-inch LED 48-watt work lights provided to us by Turbo Sii on our ATK Tao Tao 110 buggy today. We're going to replace the incandescent bulbs and assemblies that came equipped on this vehicle with these ultra high-powered work lights that will illuminate your nighttime sky like no other, people. So, without any further ado,
let's get on with it.
Shall we? Hashtag small forest creature nation. Squirrel!
Never doubt me.
Lucky for us, Dorito's a lot smarter than he looks, people. That's our benefit. These are pretty neat, people. These are supplied to us by Turbo Sii. Go check them out. They make these really neat work lights, all sorts of LED lights, and these are really cool. You can find them on Amazon.com. We'll put a link and description in the description below, people. If you want to check them out, we see how they look right now. They come with neat instructions on how to install them. Make sure you save them. And these are how our lights look, people. Check them out. There's 16 Cree LED bulbs in here, each containing 3 watts of power apiece, making 48 total watts of darkness illuminating power. People, this will make your nighttime sky look bright. It's really neat, people. Let's go install these on our buggy and see what we can do with them, okay? Stay with us, people. What is that? Where did that come from? Wait till I get these working. I'll brighten his day. As you can see, people, the lights that came equipped on our ATK 110 are subpar at best. These things really need to shine if you're out there at night. And they obviously don't cut it. There we go. Now, you can see they got really neat LED headlights with subpar incandescent off-road lights. Highly overshadowed by the headlight, people. We're going to take care of that and make these headlights look like candles. Stay tuned.
All right, guys. So we're going to go ahead and get these lights pulled off and get them disconnected and get set up to put these lights on. So, anyways, take it away, Lucci.
Well, what we're going to do is get these lights off and get them disconnected. and get the other ones on, all right? So what we got to do is take our 10mm socket, our 12mm wrench, and loosen these bad boys up.
Got to get them real loose.
Real looched. I tell you what, the other Friday I got pretty looched. It was not a pretty sight.
That's funny.
It is funny. All right, people.
Okay.
Now once that's off.
Once you get them loose, you need to actually pull the bolt out.
Pull it out. Whoa!
And there's a little spacer in there.
Don't ever drop your spacer, people.
Give me that nut there.
This nut?
That nut.
These nuts, people. Don't drop those nuts.
Yep. And don't forget. Remember to not forget.
Always remember, don't ever forget.
You know, you guys need to give us a little squirrel shout out.
You know what we'd like to see, people?
Rotate,
is maybe
Luch, rotate.
Oh, what'd you call me?
Rotate, Luch.
All right. Now, people, we're going to have a little thing going on. What we want you to do is show us your best squirrel video with you pointing going squirrel. So if you happen to see a squirrel on the side of the road, stop, take a video and say squirrel, and you'll be in our next video, or maybe even a whole squirrel compilation video, people. And that's what we're looking for. So contact us below. What's so funny?
Squirrel.
Hey, but you know you didn't drop your little spacer this time.
No, sir.
That's pretty good. You can't teach an old Dorito new tricks. All right.
I dropped my spacer. It's over there.
Never mind.
All right. So we're going to go ahead and get the lights out real quick and match everything up, and we'll get right back to you guys, all right?
All right, Mabel. We'll be back.
Why are you recording this?
This is why we've got Dorito, to do the grunt work, people. I'm gonna go sit back, have a drink, a little spot of tea, maybe a crumpet, while Dorito does the grunt work.
And grunt work, he means, is just making sure these brackets fit. So this will be in the blueprint.
I'm watching him. I'm watching you, Dorito.
Watching you. Watching me.
People! Gotta get my gummy on! Gummy on! Hashtag twist ties!
Squirrel.
Okay, people, what we're gonna do is now mount and wire our 4-inch LED light pods. So, just stick the screws in there. Take your nut and your lock washer because you don't want it to come apart, right?
Where's the other bolt, sir?
It's right here on the hood. The beautiful hood of our Jeep. We're going Jeepsting today, too, people. We love our Jeeps. When we got the light up and mounted, we can then peel back our conduit and see how much extra wire we need to cut off. Looks like about so much will be good. So we'll take our snips and cut off that much. Now that we've cut back as much wire as we need, we can take our wire strippers, not to be confused with any other kind, and we'll just take off a little bit of the material.
So I'm just going to go ahead and get the nut on here and get the lock washer and just snug it up, so then once we do get it connected, we'll be able to adjust them accordingly. So I really do like these. We was going to put on the light bar, but because of the mounts that are on here, it's a little bit harder to put the light bar on. So we're go ahead and we're going to go with these and put them on. What do you think, Luch?
I thought it was a great idea because you already got 2 separate spots for them, and they fit on perfectly, people, with just minor modifications. And they look neat, and I'm sure they're going to light up the night sky. But before we do any more wiring, people, we need to find out which one is positive and which one is negative. I can already see that Dorito here is the negative one. I'm the more positive one. So how do we hook it up? We take our test light. That's right, Dorito. Good job.
Good job.
And we find out which one gets hot when it's on. And that way we hook it up to the red side, the red wire of our new light.
Okay, so in order to do that, we do have to start it up and turn on the lights.
Indeed we do.
So let's go ahead and do that.
What we need to do is find a good ground somewhere.
Yep. Got the lights on, yes. Okay, as you see, there's a light on there.
And as you can see, people, when we touch the light to the orange wire, that's where we get our power, not the green wire. The green wire is ground, people. So if we take our test light and touch it on the green wire to ground and the orange wire to power, it will light up. So orange wire to red wire, green wire to black wire. Simple enough, right?
Okay, so let's shut it off and we'll get this thing connected.
Yeah, let's shut it off. Woo! I'm glad we can do this in your garage, Dorito. It makes it more fun.
It's a rush, literally. So we're going to go ahead and use the connectors. We're going to use some bus connectors.
Butt connectors. Butt connectors.
Butt connectors.
Just a couple butt connectors, people.
And then we're going to use some heat shrink and put some heat shrink over it. So we'll get that. Did you get the heat shrink on the other side already there?
Not yet.
Okay.
We'll
so
get to
that
it.
done and we'll get right back to you guys, okay?
Stay with us, people. See how we do this? We just stick the wire. Stick the wire into the butt connector.
Yep.
And then crimp it down tight.
You know, we got these on Amazon. They were about 16 bucks for the pair. I'm going to go ahead and post a link to them on the video. Sorry about that. As well too, and you can go ahead and look on Amazon.com. They're the Turbo Sii 48 watt or 48
watts. That's right. We got 16 Cree LEDs in here, and each one is worth 3 watts, people. So do the math. Do the math, people. That's 48 watts of blinding wattage.
We'll see how they look, and and
fire.
Our honest opinion on them. Fire in the hole.
Fire.
So,
Yeah. Fire.
Anyways,
We're going to take the extra step and heat shrink our assemblies here so as not to get any moisture in them on the trail, people. Because, you don't want moisture getting into your butt connector while you're driving down the trail. Isn't that right, Dorito?
yeah.
That's right, people.
Nobody wants a moist butt connector.
Nothing is worse. Nothing is worse. So now that we've got these on, we'll go ahead and... What? We're going to go ahead and resheathe our wiring. Again, to protect it from the waters and other sundry hazards on the trail. Isn't that right, Dorito? You didn't think I knew that word, did you? A lot of things Dorito doesn't know about me. We'll save that for another video.
Yeah. As many years as it has been.
Been a lot of years, people. He's an old guy.
Yep.
All right, now that we got our sheathing back on here, almost. Don't you love sheathing?
We'll get the sheathing on, and then we're gonna get the other one cut and mounted, and then we'll get back to you guys. All right?
All right, people.
All right, guys. So we got it mounted.
Wired.
And wired. We're gonna go ahead and start it up and check it out.
So hopefully we've done our job correctly, and when we start it up, both of these lights will come on.
So we went from this to this, and this was, let me walk this over here and show you guys. This is literally one little incandescent bulb in the middle, and you guys seen how dim it was. Okay, so
The headlights were brighter.
We're gonna go ahead and turn this on right now and see where this goes. So let's go ahead and get this thing started.
Shall we? Oh, man! Would you look at this? Hello?
It is bright as heck.
Can you still see me here, people?
Yeah, that's...
Look at that! What a difference!
Let's see here. Let's turn them off. We're gonna leave it running. Let's turn off the lights.
Wow! Do you see little blue spots in front of your eyes? I do. That's 48 watts a side, people.
There we go. Hey,
look at that.
Hey, Luch.
Look at that.
Hey, Luch, look at this and tell me what you think of the front here real quick.
Okay. Ah, what was that?
No, not the horn. This
No, what? Oh, jeez. Don't look directly into it, people. Don't look at it. Look at this.
Wow.
Do you see those lights right there, people? Don't look at that, though. Just look at the lights.
Jeez.
Walk into the light.
Well, you guys did see the picture before.
And after
we're
now.
We're going to run a little before and after at the end of the video as well, with a link to the description to the lights.
I'm going to stand on this side now because these things are blinding.
And like I said, these are the Turbo Sii LED work lights. They're the 4-inch pods, and they're 48 watts. So
that's 48 watts a side, people. That's that's a lot of watts.
That's crazy. But basically,
can we turn this off now?
$16. Sure, go ahead.
Woo!
It's warm actually. It feels like it feels alive. But
warm on those cold winter nights, people.
But these are actually $16 for a set of two. And
you can't go wrong with that.
Right up, there was just a couple of butt connectors, and we heat shrinked it, and boom, it's done. And you guys see the difference.
They look good. They work good. You're gonna be happy with this purchase, people.
You guys can check these out on Amazon.com. I'll post a link at the end of the video as well as in the description. And like I said, good investment. My daughter's Jeep is the bomb now.
No! Now everyone will see her coming from miles away. And we'd like to thank Turbo Sii for supplying these lights and making it look so beautiful for little Chip.
Yep. Thank you guys very much.
They're awesome, people. Check them out on Amazon. That's turbosii.com on Amazon.
Yep.
Got a ring to it, doesn't it, people?
So anyways, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up and then get on out of here. And we'll get some other stuff coming to you guys soon. We do have some other lights we're going to be putting on. We're probably going to put a new setup on the Trailmaster as well. And we also got those new lights coming in as well for the Reaper, which are really, really going to look good.
Oh, the Reaper, people. Stay tuned for that. That's going to be a great build here.
Yep.
You're going to really enjoy that one.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching Dorito and Lucha Cabre.
Thanks to everyone out there for tuning in.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you
like
haven't already, and like as well. Thanks for watching, guys.
Rock on, people!
Peace!
Oh, don't! Jeez! Don't look directly into it, people.